Hey students, so I'm going to show you today how to find videos that can help you understand how to do an iXL lesson. So here's today's lesson where you're doing iXL catch-up. So you click the link right here and it opens up the iXL document that has all of the assignments for third quarter. And as you scroll through them, you recognize that you did not finish some of the assignments for third quarter. So let's pretend that you didn't finish 5P2, which is writing numerical expressions. So what I want you to do is look at the date. The date is January 19th. And so that means that you're going to need to go into the modules in the week of January 19th to find this lesson. So I'm going to leave this open and go back into my Canvas page. And when I'm in this Canvas page, I'm going to come over to the left-hand side and click on modules. And this is going to bring up all of the lessons from third quarter. Now remember, I'm looking for math for the week of January 19th. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to scroll up. And these are in order from the newest to the oldest. So if I scroll to the very top, I have ELA, and when I scroll down, I have math, excuse me. And I'm going to scroll down to January 19th. And January 19th, that week is right here. So I'm going to click it open. Now remember, the title of the assignment is Writing Numerical Expressions. So I'm going to come back over to Canvas and I'm going to look at the title where it says Learn. The title of Learn is where I'm going to find those videos. So this is Writing Numerical Expressions on Tuesday, January 19th. Wednesday is Order of Operations. Thursday is Writing Algebraic Expressions, and Friday is Writing Algebraic Expressions for Real-World Situations. So I'm going to come back to January 19th, and I'm going to click where it says Learn, because this is where I'm going to find the first set of videos. So here's the lesson for that iXL assignment. So I'm going to start by reading the information in black and looking at the anchor charts, and then scrolling down, and there are 3 videos here and another anchor chart. If you click next, it's going to take you to the guided practice page, and that's helpful because on the guided practice page there's also at least one other video. And so then I'm just waiting for it to load. My internet's a little slow. I'm clicking next. It's still spinning, so I'm going to wait. And so on the guided practice page, there are the iXL assignments P2 and D1. And when I come over here and I look at my P2 and D1, so these are the 2 assignments, and I'm working on P2. So there's another video right here. So altogether, I think there were 4 videos that you can watch that will teach you how to do the lesson. And so just a reminder to review what we just went through. When you are trying to find a video to help you do an iXL lesson, because maybe you forgot, it was a long time ago, you're going to choose the iXL assignment that you need to finish. Like if you need to add and subtract like terms, you're going to scroll to the left and look at the dates. The dates are January 26th and 27th. So then you go back into the modules in your Canvas homepage, and I'm looking for January 26th and 27th for adding and subtracting like terms. And so I'm just waiting for the page to load. So January 26th through 27th is this week right here. And so I'm going to scroll down to January 26th, combining like terms. There's the videos here. And then the 27th is combining like terms part 2. So I can start right here and click the Learn. And then I have some anchor charts. I have all this teaching and this information in black that explains what we're doing. And then you scroll down and there's the videos. When you click next, just a reminder, it takes you to the guided practice page where again there's at least one other video. Often there's 2. And so that is how you can find videos that will help you catch up on all of your missing iXL assignments. And there's videos, just a reminder, for every single lesson. If there's an assignment on this sheet, then there's a video in iXL, or there's a video in Canvas that will show you how to do the lesson.